Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Thursday, July the 16th. Well, another bullish day today and a nice green candle, a fairly large-sized body, but the size of the body has reduced a fair bit. That means that the bulls, even though they've made some nice bullish net gain from the open on the day, it means that they haven't made as much net gain as the previous day. Now, that could be significant for this current trend that the market's in. Now, the market is still in an uptrend, which is probably the most important factor here. We have a higher high and a higher low. So in that first time frame, the trend is still up. Now, we're also trading within this zone of resistance that we identified quite some time ago. And the good thing is that we don't have any major price rejection. We have a nice green candle that's closed up near the high. There was a small amount of price rejection just at the end there. We can see the small wick, and that was when the market approached that line there of around 943, which was a line that we drew from a previous area of resistance. Now, what we want to see is for this market to have a nice solid close up above this 943 level, and especially above this previous swing high at roughly about 955, 956. If we can see a nice solid close up above there with a very bullish day tomorrow, then I think we'll be trading up towards 1,000. But we need a bullishness in this market. As I said, we are trading within this zone. If we see any of these iffy type candles, these candles with very, very small bodies and long shadows, then it could be a sign that there will be downside price rejection. Now, we need to be aware, though, that if the market does trade down, we have a nice boundary close by, and that's the cloud. The cloud has been moving up, and that's a good thing about the support and resistance that's offered in Ichimoku charts, that it's dynamic, and it will actually change with the market. And so if this market does sell off, we're likely to find support anywhere through this region of the cloud, so anywhere from around 927 all the way down to 869, but we've also got the Kijun-sen here, which has gone flat, reflecting this congestion here in this time frame, and that can be an attractor of price action. So the market might trade back down to there, which is at 912, and we also have potential support at the Tenkan-sen, but more likely at the Kijun-sen. Now, we haven't had the crossover of the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which at this point in time it isn't really that important. But we do have the Tenkan-sen pointing up quite steeply, which reflects this strong upside momentum that the market has at the moment. Now, also, just where we're trading in relation to the Kumo or the cloud, we are still obviously trading up above the cloud, which means that the market is overall bullish. So quite a nice trading day today, and good potential for the market to trade up above this resistance zone. We shouldn't count our chickens until they're hatched, though, so we need to wait for that close, and I mean a nice solid close up above this zone of resistance, and then the market will probably trade up to 1,000. But I think the more those of us who are quite risk averse really need to wait for confirmation of a solid close.